Hello, hello. Today I'm surrounded with the beautiful girls. 3 beautiful girls, not only 1 or 2, but 3 beautiful girls, and we are going to Bedugul again. Yesterday, our strawberry lady from Bedugul called us and said she has a lot of strawberries, and we decided to support local business, so we will go there. And we are in a Bedugul again. Strawberries calling. Last time we bought 16 kilograms. Today we have pretty much the same plan. We have some orders from another people who are not coming yet, but they know that we are coming. So I got a lot of people asking me where you're picking up these strawberries. If you need this information, I will leave the location into description, and you can just come here, enjoy the time. I love to come here because the road is really cool, and the atmosphere here is absolutely different. Like we were coming here and everybody, we just spoke that it feels like back home. You open the window, you don't need the aircon, it's cool air. It's just simply amazing. All right, let's go and check out how many strawberries we have today. It's been without the rain, and they're gonna be sweeter than previously, the last time I mean. Laura got 4 baskets.
Yeah, because I'm planning to make a jam, strawberry jam.
Strawberry jam?
Yeah.
Mixed with a mango? No, I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Just only strawberry jam.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Today we are going to another field, which is on the other side. Laura is already vowing. She said, oh my god, so that means something really serious going on. Someone already ate. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my god. Looks good. What is your name?
My name Komang Andrea.
Okay, Komang. How long is the season of, I mean, strawberry season here in Bedugul?
From July and Augustus the season.
July and August.
Augustus and September. Yeah,
also,
September.
So people can come all the September. They still can come here and pick up some strawberries, right?
Yes, right, that one.
What is the best time to come to Bedugul to pick up the strawberries? I mean, in the morning, evening?
I think in the morning.
In the morning?
Yes.
The best time is what time?
9 until 12.
9 until 12.
Yes.
At the moment it's 10:30 in the morning. That's the time when they're picking up, and if you want to be before the time when they're picking up, because otherwise when you will arrive you will get whatever is left. While now we choosing what we want. Komang just offered us a discount, and I say no. We are going to pay a full price because we've been lucky to have some customers in a dive center, and it's just, for me, it's just normal to share with these people. They are in the trouble anyways already, right? So now they're giving the discounts, while actually in this not really normal times we should pay full price just because we don't have that many customers. If it's a normal times, then we can ask discounts, because then you have many customers and you can give discounts. Happy?
Very happy.
Tonya, happy? Happy?
Happy. See you next time.
I'm also happy. Kintamani, I don't know which time is this year, already many times we've been here, we've been already twice there, so nothing really changed. We just decided that last time we tried to come here but finally ended up in Ubud, while today I dealt with the Google Maps and they showed me the better way. Good?
Good, very good.
You know that I'm not doing food reviews or I'm not talking about the prices because I don't know, there are so many different sources where you can find all this information. It's not task for me and not for this channel, but I always recommend if I like something. Every single time when we're coming to the Kintamani, we're always coming to this place. The view is just amazing, but I think all the cafes on this side has the same view, but the only difference is the food. Good coffee, good cakes, and also good food. Recommended. Zotica. You also have chicken cordon bleu?
Yes. I want to order the bagel with salmon, but they said no fish.
No salmon.
No salmon.
Ay. Nyam nyam. Yum,
We
yum.
will try.
Everybody's happy and full. Time to go home. In another 1.5 hours, maybe a little bit more, and we will be in Ahmed again. Not really sure that something really extraordinary will happen on the way back home, so that's why thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.